Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth stock. First, gather your ingredients, fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, along with some herbs and peppercorns. You'll also need a large pot and plenty of cold water. The key to a flavorful stock is a slow, gentle simmer, allowing all the delicious essences to meld together. Don't rush the process. Patience is truly a virtue here. This foundational liquid will elevate countless dishes from soups to sauces with its rich homemade taste. Making a delicious vegetable stock is straightforward and incredibly rewarding. Begin by roughly chopping your chosen vegetables. There's no need for precision here. Combine them in a large pot with your aromatics and cover with cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly. This process extracts all the wonderful, earthy flavors from the vegetables, creating a versatile base for vegetarian dishes or a lighter alternative to meat stocks. Remember to strain it well for a clear liquid. For a truly rich and nourishing bone broth, start with high-quality bones, perhaps from a roasted chicken or beef. Roasting them first enhances their flavor significantly. Place the bones in your pot, cover with cold water, and add a small amount of apple cider vinegar to help extract minerals. Bring it to a boil, then immediately reduce to a very low simmer. This long, slow cooking time is essential for breaking down collagen and releasing all the beneficial nutrients and deep flavors, resulting in a gelatinous, full-bodied stock. Once your stock is ready, proper cooling and storage are key to maintaining its quality and safety. Rapidly cool it down before transferring to airtight containers. You can keep it in the refrigerator for about 4 days, or, for longer storage, freeze it in smaller portions. Ice cube trays are perfect for this, giving you convenient amounts for sauces or quick additions to dishes. This homemade liquid gold is far superior to store-bought options, adding incredible depth to your cooking. And speaking of great finds, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals. It's a simple way to stay hydrated and support your cooking adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.